Today's the 7th of January, 2021, which is a Thursday, and the time right now is 22 hours and 21 minutes, which is 10:21 p.m. Budapest time. And these are my results with Mohini Trade for the day. And remember, Mohini Trade is probably the strongest forex trading robot in the world. So let's jump right into it. You're looking at my day, which is clearly a very bullish day. It's the continuation of yesterday's bullish trend. And actually, you're looking at the DAX 30 chart with the 15-minute zoom. My day started somewhere here. You see that little gap? That's where the day started. And it had some very healthy movement at first. Well, healthy and crazy at the same time. With the 15-minute zoom, you don't actually see that much detail, but you can just trust me that everything was fine up until this point, I'd say, which was what? 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, something like that. So, or 4, between 4 and 5, just things started soaring like a straight line up, which for my settings with Mohini Trade is not very tradable. So I had to hold a lot of open positions, but we're going to get to that. Let's see how much money Mohini Trade made for me. I actually found a weird anomaly here. Let's start with this. You see, this is the 7th of January and it's 8:55. That's when it opened a position on DAX and it closed it at 10:04. So it's weird. It's an anomaly because if you've been watching my videos, you know that I have specifically, explicitly set my Mohini Trade robot to trade between the hours of 9:30 a.m. and 10 p.m. weekdays only. Yet you can see 8:55. This is European time, so it's 8:55. It's not 20:55. 20:55 would be the evening, the 8:55 p.m. So this is all European. It's morning, 8 o'clock. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm not sure how this position was open. Maybe I overlooked something in the settings, but this is an anomaly. I'm not saying it's bad. It gave me money, so I shut the hell up because you can see it's almost $9 profit while I was probably still asleep. 9 o'clock, yeah, probably awake yet, but anyways, I didn't have too many big profit numbers here, like $10.65 or $21.11. That's probably the biggest for the day. But the rest, there's an $8 one. But the rest is, well, there's a $7 one. But other than these, there's not really any big numbers. You can see it's a lot of little pennies, few dollar profits here and there. And as a surprise at the end, I get something called balance. I'm not sure what that is. Balance, bonus, AM cashback. It's definitely a profit. AM, I would think, is the broker company that I have been using. And it's probably some sort of a yield or an interest or a cashback. I'm not sure what this is, but they gave me some money. Thank you, I guess. Well, that brings my total for the day to $104.39. So that's not bad, but I have to admit, since the end of the day was kind of weirdish or untradeable with my settings, let's see the open trades that I still harbor. You can see that I have a lot of open trades here on the bottom that started on the 6th. 06, 06, 06. These are all open trades. So most of these open trades are from yesterday. You can tell the swap fees right there. And those are the larger numbers, which means that these positions, these sell positions were bought at a much lower rate. So we have to wait until the market comes back down to hit the sweet spot until Mohini Trade will, just sell these positions or close them, to be more exact. And this is the amount of my open positions at the moment. It's $578.11. So that's a lot. That's a little, you can debate that. One thing's for sure, I'm no longer scared or afraid, because if I lose this much money, I'm going to be losing it from my balance, not from my initial $2,000. And that's a good thing. I probably remind myself this a little too much, but then again, this is something I need to learn. And I'm going to go to bed with an easy mind tonight, because I might wake up to twice of this number or even triple of this number. Yet still, I wouldn't lose all my profit from the last 3 weeks, or well, close to 3 weeks, if it came to that. But I would think that Mohini Trade is off right now but it still manages these positions. So if the market falls back down like early hours of the morning, like 1 a.m. or 2 a.m., for some weird reason it just plummets, then I'm a rich guy because these will be all sold. If not, then, if it goes any higher, then the position is just going to go larger in amounts of money. So nevertheless, this is my balance for the day. So close to $4,000, but it's not nearly there. It's just a balance anyways. So it's $3,965.75. The equity, which is the balance minus my outstanding open positions, my equity is $3,387.64. So not so bad after all. I mean, even if I closed these guys right now, but why would I do it on a Thursday night, right? But if I closed it, I would have this much. That's still a little over $1,300 more than my initial profit from 3 weeks ago. So I'd like to say goodbye to you guys for the day with a very wise thought that I keep thinking, that you really can't control the market and you have no control over pretty much anything. You can only control one thing, and that one thing is how you experience things, how you experience the world around you, the happenings, how you experience, for example, this. And I have a choice whether I keep myself anxious or I just go to bed and smile and just cuddle up with my babe. So I'm probably just going to do that. And well, we'll see what happens tomorrow, but I'm very optimistic, and I know that I'm very close to 100% gain on my account, and I can't wait until this one, the equity, also reaches 4,000 US dollars. Well, I guess my balance will be a much higher number by then. So with this, I'm wishing you a very good night and a pleasant journey to dreamland. Take care, you guys.